afternoon, friends. Today I come to Devil Punchbowl waterfall. It is a beautiful waterfall located in Arthur Pass. Highly recommended. It's not too far from the village, probably maybe half an hour hike, and just few steps that you need to do. And then you will come to this beautiful waterfall, which I'm just gonna show you now. It is amazing. Coming up out of those big mountains, pretty good hike, beautiful. Nature is just amazing. Wow. The water is going quite fast. Amazing. And there is nice platform over here that you can just take some good photos from here. And it is just beautiful. Loving it. As I said, it's not too far from the Arthur Pass village. If you come there, please make sure you come here also. It is amazing and beautiful. Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.